friend of mine, he lives closer over here. He said this forest, it's full of black bears. So this is the conditions of the road right now. I don't know if I should turn back or keep going because I truly don't know. Look at that. Rocks all over the place. This is fine over here. This here, I don't know about it. Yeah, this one looks kind of rough. I don't know if I should go through here. Keep going. Oh, I think I can go through the side. It's nice for hiking. You know, I got here, I just have to keep going until I get out from here. Hopefully. I just don't want to drop a bike. Hopefully I make it through. So I went to inspect the road over there. I think I can make it through. Just in this section, I truly don't know what is coming next. And I've been looking for Starbucks to drink me a cup of coffee or something. There is none. Yeah. Oh, let's see. Let's have some fun. Keep telling myself that until I get my ass somewhere. Turn that traction control off. Take it easy. Made it through here. Fine. The road looks like I've never been somebody working on it. It's rocks everywhere. I wonder why there is no Starbucks over here. Oh, it's beautiful. Another muddy situation over here. Let's see. This one doesn't look too bad. Take it easy. Like I'm going the right way. Branches over here. More mud. Oh, this one looks pretty good. See if I can go through the page over here. Looks like they've been clearing some trees from here. Oh, mud. rocks all over the place. It's so beautiful over here. Gotta take a snack. Got really warm over here. Starting to warm up. Hopefully I get out from here soon. I still got like 10 or 15 minutes in this route. And then I will head back home. From there, like when I get out from here until home, it's gonna be like an hour and a half. Hopefully I make it home by 1:45. So nothing, no Starbucks, no Dollar General over here, no nothing. Can you hear the noise? Birds talking to each other. I didn't see a black bear though. Okay, I will get going and see what we can find in our way. Look at my headphones. They broke. I dropped the GoPro case somewhere over here, so I have to go back. As much I don't want to stay here, but I gotta go back. I have some memory cards over there. See where it is. Like I see it, right over here. So now I'll have to find a way to turn around here. Yeah, it's right there. I was eating that snack and I just didn't pay any freaking attention, like I always do. Ooh. Holy camole. Guacamole. I'm still learning English, guys, so if you don't understand something, ask me in the comments. I will be more than glad to tell you what I was trying to say. Here it is. Have a bunch memory cards. Yeah, and I don't want to lose that because I'm making like $1 million right now from this YouTube channel, and every piece of equipment and memory that I have over here, it's very valuable. Especially I am find freaking, you know what, Starbucks. So now I have to turn around, see how I can get out from here. I don't know if you can see it. This is how it looks like. It's all washed out, rocks everywhere. Yeah, and they're loose. Yeah, so let's have some fun. See how we're gonna make it through here. Okay, I'm thinking about going all the way over there and turn around, or see here if I can open the clutch. See here. So I think do this. I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna drive down over there, see where I can do a U-turn. Truly don't wanna make a mess. Okay, let's see here. Traction control off. Can do a U-turn over here somewhere. Oh crap, there's freaking books. Nothing. Okay. Let's get back where we come from. Uphill, by the way. I don't think you can see it pretty good. It's really bad. I'm sure I'm gonna have some damage after this. Okay, over here I have to turn left somewhere. So I'll go make sure that I got that case. I am sure I got it, maybe. So right now I have to check left, and left look the same way. Just trying to see if I got that. Yeah, it's here. I'm really paranoid when it comes to stuff like that. Yeah, I get distracted trying to film or do something or take a picture, and I end up in situations like this. So let's see the next section, how it looks like. I have 8 minutes left of this mess. Okay, let's see here. Okay, so far it looks a little bit fine. Oh, okay, there is some mud. God, it was sketchy. It was really sketchy. Oh, mud. This is when your brain is telling you don't do it, and you're like, no, I want to go ahead and try. I'm a tough guy. More mud. Oh shit. Some logs. Some branch. Hitting me in the face. Oh shit. This one looks a little bit worse than before. Look at that. Oh fuck. Take it easy. Yeah, buddy. When I start getting nervous, I may start talking my own language. Yeah. Do you want to hear some of that? بعلق ودادي بعلق وينا. Yeah. Still going through. They called it an adventure bike for a reason, no? You have to do stuff like that. If not, you are not considered an adventure rider. You are considered a Starbucks guy. Okay, more trees on the road. A little bit more live in here. A little bit of mud. Not too bad. Going smooth a little bit. There's more logs. Mama! Ooh. Let's see here. We're getting closer. Oh no, there is some steep hill in here. Oh yeah, really steep. That means we're gonna get some rock in the road. Let's see. There's rocks everywhere. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, baby. You can do it. You can do it. Keep that hand in the clutch. Okay. What else? We still got a bunch to go. Bunch to go. A lot to go. Oh, more rocks. Rockies. Oh God. This one is worse. It's worse. Yep. How much I have left? 3 minutes. I'm looking at the GPS. Last year when I was here, the service wasn't working at all. Yeah. It wasn't working at all. Some other muddy section over here. I'm sitting down because I'm tired from standing. We have to finish with some mud, no? keep going. After that, I'm gonna take a little break and then head back home. Going the right way. Said 1 minute, so I go straight and then I turn left, and this one looks really sketchy. It's really steep and rocks, of course. This it's really bad. Okay, it looks like I'm out. Oh yeah, I made it safe. I can say that until I get home. Until I get home. I have a friend who lives over here. I will stop at his house, talk to him for a little bit if he's there, of course. Then go home. He lives right over here. So I'm gonna go around here, stop somewhere, say hi to him, go back home. GoPro, stop recording. So I just come to hang out with my friend for a little bit, and I still have 1 hour and 40 minutes to get back home, so I'm gonna get going. For almost a year or so. Stop, say hi, and keep going. I made it home one piece. It was really nice ride, but not having a GPS set up right, like it was a disaster. But I could be here sooner, but since I had that issue, it made me get here a little bit late. The bike looks fine too. We got a little bit dirty with the mud and everything else, so later I will inspect everything, make sure nothing is broken like last year. Doing rough rides like these, always they put too much stress and wear and the parts. So I'm gonna inspect everything. If you like the video, please, subscribe, give me thumbs up, talk to me in the comments. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.